In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix missing dll Msvcp140.dll on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is to reinstall the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable package. So for that, we need to open any browser. Open any browser that you have on your Windows. It could be Chrome or Firefox or Microsoft Edge. Then I will share to you the download link in the description section below so that you can go directly into the page. So once you're in the page, you will find the download link for the architecture depending on the architecture of your Windows. So make sure to check first the system type of your Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it. Check the system type and here you can find as to what is the architecture of your Windows. So we are a 64-bit, so click the download link for that. And as you can see, it will be downloaded from here. So simply wait for that. Now once it is done, you will notice a folder icon. Click on that. Then you just need to wait for that to load. So here simply double click and then click on the install button. Make sure to check the option I agree the license terms and conditions and make sure to install that into your Windows. Now, if in case you have already installed this, then you can try to repair it. So how can we repair the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable package? Go to the Windows search bar and type appwiz.cpl. Click on it under the best match. And here you'll find all the Microsoft Visual package, redistributable package that you have installed into your Windows. So in order to repair it, all you have to do is make a right click and then click on change and click on the repair button. And wait for this to be repaired. Okay. So once it is repaired or once you have installed the Microsoft Visual C++ into your Windows, consider restarting your Windows. Right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. The next thing that we can do is to perform the System File Checker scan to fix for any system corrupted files. So for that, go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click the option Run as Administrator on the right pane. In the elevated command prompt, type sfc /scan now. SFC /scan now and hit enter. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. Okay, wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once it is completed, just simply type exit in the command prompt window. And then do not forget to restart your Windows afterwards. And the next thing that we can do is to update our Windows to the latest version to download and install the latest updates. Then we have to click on the Start button and go to Settings. Now, from the list of options on the left pane, you will notice Windows Update. Click on that. And click this button right here, check for updates. Okay, so that will check for the available updates on your Windows. So simply wait for that. So once it is done, close it. And then, so if any of the solutions fix the issue for you, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you for watching the video.